Hello everyone. So guys, today I'm going to show you my new wireless mic. It is really very amazing mic. First of all, let me tell you the price of this mic. Its price is 30,000 rupees. यानी कि 30,000 रुपए. And the mic is this guys. Can you see this? The brand name is Rode, as you can read here, Rode. So I have already unboxed it. I'm going to show you what product I got out of this box. So here we go. So guys, as you can see, this is my mic. So you can see here three pieces. First of all, let me tell you guys, when I did the unboxing, as you can see, this is the box. Okay, when I did unboxing, I got this case, this bag. You can keep your mic into this bag, and I got these three pieces. So you can see here there is little display. This piece is called receiver. So this is the receiver. You have to connect this to your DSLR camera, and this is the wire. You have to connect one end of this wire to this receiver and another end to your DSLR camera, and these two are the transmitters. It means if you are two people, so each person can connect this to his shirt, t-shirt and communicate. So this is one transmitter, this is the another transmitter. If you don't want to use this one, okay, don't turn it on, only you can use this one. But if there are two people, then you can give this transmitter to that person also, and you both can communicate, and the conversation will be recorded. It will be received by this receiver. So this is the benefit. So if I want to do any acting video, I can definitely use these both the transmitters. I will be performing one character, I will use this, my another character will be using this. So it's really very beneficial, I would say guys. So this is my mic. You can see the brand, this is Rode brand, and I have got, as you can see here, this is windshield. So if you are shooting somewhere and there is windy environment, so you can use this windshield. You can connect this to your transmitter, not to the receiver. You can connect it to your transmitter. So I have got three windshields, though the transmitters are only two, but one extra windshield has been given in order to block the wind, block that stormy environment. And now in order to charge these all the three things, receiver as well as the transmitters, we have got three different connectors. As you can see, this is the connector. You have to connect one end to these and another to your USB connector, I mean USB port. So there are three connectors, as you can see, there are three connectors guys. So this is my mic and this is the bag. You can keep these all the things in this bag. Fine. So now I would like to test it guys, whether it is working properly or not. Let's get started. So guys, I have taken my DSLR camera, as you can see. Now I have to take this receiver, as you can see here, and I have to attach it to my DSLR camera. Here we go. So I'm going to attach here. Okay, it is attached, totally attached. Now guys, there is here there is on off button. Can you see this one, this point? You have to keep pressing this point until it get turned on. See, can you see here something came? Can you see this? It means it is turned on. Okay, so receiver is turned on. Now I need to connect this wire. So one end will be inserted here, as you can see here. So I'm going to insert. Here we go. And this second end should be inserted here in your DSLR camera. Here there is a mic point. Let me put it here. Can you see this? Okay, it is connected guys. Now your receiver is on. You can see here it is on. Now this is the transmitter. I'm just going to use only one transmitter. Okay, So you have to turn it on. As you can see the button here, just keep pressing it, it will get turned on. Okay, it is on now. Can you see the light blinking? It is on. Okay, so now in order to check, I have to put it here, and if I want I can put the windshield also. As you can see the windshield, if there is windy environment outside I can use it also. Let me try this. I just have to connect this here, you know, just put it here and rotate, so it will be attached totally, it will not come off. So here we go. Yes guys, it got attached. Can you see this? It is attached. Now if I want I can put it like this, you know, some people put like this, some people don't want to show it, so they can hide also. I mean, they can put it inside like this, they put it like this, like this. So I'm going to show it, there is no problem. Okay, so I will put it like this. Fine guys, so now I have to check whether it works or not. So I am going outside, okay, and I will put this DSLR camera somewhere, and I will go far from the DSLR camera in order to check the distance, that from which distance it receives my voice. As per the company, you can go at least 200 meters away from your receiver, but whether it is fact or not, I need to test it out. So let's go outside, everyone. So guys, this time you can see me, and I am recording this audio using this new mic. This is not being recorded through my mobile phone. So I would like to show you that right now I am just near this camera. My DSLR is here. As you can see, my DSLR is here. I am recording it. Now I am going far from my DSLR in order to check whether my voice is being recorded or not. So that is my DSLR. I would like to request my camera person to show me also. As you can see guys, I am going so far. This transmitter is connected to me. Receiver is right there. See how far I am going. So I would like to test it out whether it is working properly or not. So I am standing over here. I think it may be 100 meters or what, I don't know. I am just going little more back. Okay. So now from here I am recording the voice. I don't know whether it is working or not. So guys, this is the distance. I wanted to test it out. So I hope my audio is being recorded. So let's see guys. And if it is being recorded, that then I would say that I would be really very happy, because I can use this mic wherever I want. I can use it. Like I can use it for my blogging purpose. I can give my camera to any person. I can go here and there, and I can use this mic. So now I am showing you through both. I am showing you through my mobile also the distance I have covered, and you can see it through my DSLR camera also the distance I have covered. So I hope my voice is being recorded, everyone. So this is really good. Now I am going back. So though I have spent 30,000 rupees, yet I am going to be very happy if this mic is working properly. Then I will talk about the battery backup also. I will talk about how to charge it. Fine guys, so now I am coming close to the camera. So this is my DSLR camera, and that is my mobile, and my voice is being recorded through this. Okay, so I have used one receiver, one transmitter. Now I have to use second transmitter also. So be here, I am bringing Akshat over here, and I will put one transmitter on Akshat's t-shirt, and then we'll check it out. Okay, so be here. Fine guys, so I am back. So let me tell you guys, this is the second transmitter. I am going to turn it on first. So here we go. Yeah, it is on now. Akshat is here with me. Akshat, say hi.
Hi.
So I am going to connect this transmitter here to Akshat's t-shirt, and now Akshat and I will have a conversation and we will check. Hi Akshat, how are you?
I'm fine.
So Akshat, now tell me one thing. Are you happy with this mic?
Yes, I am happy.
Okay. Now, if Akshat is there and I am here, then what happened? That's okay. Okay, so guys, my actually mobile got turned off, but this DSLR is working, no problem. I'm going to use this. Akshat, you be there, be there. Now I'm here. So Akshat, so how will you use this mic? Turn like this, turn towards the camera, turn towards the camera. And look at me, Akshat is not able to understand what I'm saying. You stand here, look at the camera. And I am here in order to check that can we talk like this. Yeah, Akshat, so will you use this mic? Will you use this mic or not?
Yes.
You want to use it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, what did you do in school today?
I did so many things.
So many things?
Yeah.
Okay, so did your ma'am beat you today? What happened? Akshat, come here. Akshat? It's just a conversation. Akshat, come fast. Akshat, come fast. Just a conversation. Akshat got angry when I asked him a question, did your ma'am beat you? He thought that he should not talk about this, though I believe ma'am might not have beaten and all, but he did not like this question. Anyways, guys, so I think I have tested it out. So guys, this is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching it. So see you in another episode, guys. Thank you, guys.